Welcome to week 3 of our first month experience owning a hot tub, a short video series. My name is Sheena and I'll pick up from last week to continue walking you through my family's experience with our brand new Hot Spring Hotspot TX from Snake River Pool and Spa. In my week 1 series video, I discussed what to expect before a hot tub install and how the spa team professionals from Snake River Pool and Spa in Boise pulled off the ultimate anniversary surprise, a new Hot Spring hot tub. In week 2 series video, I discussed the initial meet and greet hot tub care, first water sample test, and the first 10 days soaking experience and health and wellness benefits. In today's week 3 video series, I'd like to go over Snake River Pool and Spa's hot tub orientation with Hot Tub Johnny B and discuss more about the continued health and wellness my family and I are experiencing with an updated report on our first 20 days soaking in our new Hotspot TX. Shortly after Snake River Pool and Spa delivered the ultimate surprise spa, I scheduled my free in-home hot tub orientation with the spa team's own Hot Tub Johnny.
Hi Sheena, thanks for having me out. This is your orientation on your new TX hot tub. And basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna answer any questions that you may have or that may come up. But I'm gonna go through the operations, the controls, and a maintenance schedule to get you put on. And then we can take it from there.
Hot Tub Johnny arrived well prepared and was such a pleasure to get to know while he walked us through the Hot Tub TX orientation and answered any questions we had. He had a genuine interest in ensuring my husband and I were 100% comfortable in using all the controls. Then he thoroughly demonstrated and explained the maintenance and water care portion to always keep our spa sparkling clean. One of the many great tips Hot Tub Johnny shared with us is the importance of cleaning our spa filter weekly, and to make that job faster, more efficient, and even fun is a cool tool called the filter floss. After using it only a few weeks now, I can't imagine cleaning our spa filter without the filter floss. Another great tip from Hot Tub Johnny was during our water treatment orientation portion, Johnny had us write on the actual BioGuard water care products the daily and weekly dose for each. This has been a huge time saver compared to reading the fine print and calculating our spa's gallons and specific needs each time. Needless to say, having Johnny B over for our new hot tub orientation was a great hands-on learning experience, and my husband and I both felt 100% more comfortable with our Hotspot TX's operations, maintenance, and water care after the orientation. Snake River Pool and Spa has definitely made it easy to take it easy with their knowledgeable, friendly spa team members like Hot Tub Johnny B. So let's switch gears a bit and discuss how my family's continued experience soaking the first 20 days as a new hot tubber has turned a new leaf for pain relief and a new routine for relaxation in our home. Here's the first 20 days statistical breakdown. Overall, I soaked 6 out of the last 10 days and 16 times over the last 20 days. Each hot tub soak has lasted between 30 minutes to over an hour each soak. My husband and I have felt the muscle tension relief more and more in our neck, shoulders, and lower back. I even canceled an upcoming massage therapy session, given the positive effects the hydrotherapy massage our new Hotspot TX has offered in the first 20 days. In closing, Snake River Pool and Spa does it right, having someone so knowledgeable like Hot Tub Johnny B come out in person and discuss our TX Spa models, specific functions, and answer questions at our very own hot tub orientation. A priceless service for new hot tub orientation for free. Lastly, the first 20 days soaking in our new hot tub has been highly beneficial, reducing stress, inflammation, and sore muscles, and even helping to sleep at night. Tune in next week for our final week 4 series, where we'll go over the first 30 days experience owning a new hot tub and the continued health and wellness my family and I are experiencing, thanks to the professionals at Snake River Pool and Spa. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you'll tune in for our final week 4 series next week.